Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve some problem on simple lifting machine. Okay, today we start from problem number 1. Problem number 1. In a weight lifting machine, an effort of 50 Newton is required. Effort means this is P. Effort means this is P. Effort of 50 Newton is required to lift a load W. Okay. The distance moved by the load and the effort are 20 Newton, 20 millimeter and 500 millimeter respectively. The distance moved by the load is 20 millimeter. By the load means it is the distance x, denoted by x. Next, the distance moved by the effort 500 millimeter respectively, means this is y. Okay. Now determine the magnitude of the load W. If the efficiency of the machine is 80%. Okay. Now first, what is the given in our problem? Given effort P equal to 50 Newton. P equal to 50 Newton. Y equal to distance moved by the effort equal to 500 millimeter. Distance moved by effort equal to 500 millimeter. Okay. X equal to distance moved by the load equal to 20 millimeter. Distance moved by the load equal to 20 millimeter. Okay. Now efficiency of the machine is 80%. Efficiency of the machine eta equal to 80%. 80% means 0.80. Okay. This portion is given. This portion is given. Okay. We find out the magnitude of the load. Magnitude of the load W. We find out the magnitude of the load W. Okay. Now we know velocity ratio. Velocity ratio here. What is the definition of velocity ratio? Distance moved by effort y by distance moved by load x. So velocity ratio, distance moved by effort y equal to 500 millimeter, y equal to 500 millimeter. Distance moved by the load x, distance moved by the load x equal to 20 millimeter. So distance moved by the load x equal to 20 millimeter equal to 25. Velocity ratio has no unit. Velocity ratio millimeter by millimeter, so there is no unit. Okay. Now again we know efficiency equal to output by input, and we also know efficiency equal to MA by VR. MA means mechanical advantage, velocity ratio means VR means velocity ratio. Okay. Now MA equal to eta means efficiency, eta into VR. VR means velocity ratio, eta means efficiency of the machine. Efficiency of the machine, efficiency eta, efficiency of the machine equal to 80%, 0.80. Here we place 0.8. Okay, into VR. VR equal to 25, equal to 20. Okay. Mechanical advantage means W by P, load lifted by effort applied. Load lifted in Newton, effort applied in Newton. So mechanical advantage has no unit. Okay. Now we know mechanical advantage MA. Mechanical advantage MA equal to W by P. W equal to weight lifted, P equal to effort applied. Okay. Now W equal to MA mechanical advantage into P effort applied. Okay. Mechanical advantage, value of mechanical advantage is 20. Value of mechanical advantage 20. P equal to P given, P effort applied P 50 Newton, 50. So W equal to 1000 Newton. Our problem is determine the magnitude of the load W. So we find magnitude of the W, load W equal to 100 Newton. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. It is clear, my student. It is the first problem, very simple problem. Next day we solve second problem. Okay. Thank you.